Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here in the National Forest again. I'm out here by that airfield. All my plans for this weekend were douched all over, and I will do a video explaining what happened while I'm out here, but I'll probably have it up way first, probably weeks ahead of this one. So I'll just link it in the description. In short, if you missed it, the weather did me dirty. So, yeah. But I'm actually seeing some really nice... I'm actually at a camp spot I really wouldn't mind using. I'll probably do a little 360 here. I've got a plethora of good firewood out there. A lot of standing dead trees. A lot. Really good standing dead. You can probably see a lot of them just on the camera. A lot of little things out there I can cut down. Nothing too massive. Which would be a great firewood. A lot of dead standing deed. I've got a not very well used fire pit right here. So, I mean, there is some char in there, but it looks like it hasn't been used in a long time. So this will be today's fire pit. I know people are camping over there because I saw their cars. I pointed over there, but that way I could see, this way is north, and I could see like vehicles and stuff, because the airfield is just through these trees right here. If you can probably see the clearing, that's where the airfield is actually. It ends up there and then up a few spaces. Probably, I don't know, football field half or two is where I was shooting a few videos. So it's not a bad spot at all, because I could easily put a tent or a hammock right here. This tree is pretty big, but I think I can make it. No massive widowmakers. Wouldn't want one of them coming down on you, because that would suck. Could probably hang a hammock right here, just as easy. Although, well, there's some green. I was gonna say this tree here on this one's dead, but there's actually some green on it, so it's like half dead. All the top is green or brown and lifeless, but there's branches right here, so it should hold a tarp okay, or hold my hammock okay. Yeah, I'll maybe camping here at some point. Plenty of fuel. Don't see a lot of litter. Nice big tree right here. So, a little old growth. Probably run you down to the river, because I gotta run back to the car and grab something. So I'll probably take the camera with me and film, so you can show you the river and stuff. And I want to get a few outro shots as well. So kind of a little so if you take this trail, it'll take you all the way back to the other campsites. There's also an outhouse over there. You got this little landing down here. There's a fire pit behind that tree that you can't see, but there's a much bigger fire pit over here, right by the river. You can see right there. I had no idea how long it's been since that's been used. Probably since last year, because people tend to camp, you know, closest to the car as they can. I don't mind walking in the woods a few hundred yards if it gets me away from people. A couple of real big trees right here too. Nice area. You definitely want to come back here. In fact, I'm already planning on it. It's kind of a dirt path to get you down there. I might actually just walk down there and check it out. I don't want to see it anyway. Oh, here's the fire pit. First I see the typical cans and crap. And someone stacked rocks along here. And there's the river. And there's a ring of rocks around here. Looks like someone swept it all away. I don't see any tents, like a spot where a tent was, but usually you can tell, but it looks like someone swept it away. Maybe it might have been last year, but I don't think anybody... Fire pit doesn't look like it was used last year. So, or at least it hasn't been used this year yet. Go down and take a look at the water. Alrighty, found someone's litter down by the water. I'll grab that on my way out. I didn't say anything during the walk down there because I figured the sound of the water would have drowned out my voice, so I just called it good. So I'm gonna grab the final item from the car and then head back to camp and start getting some fire going. And I had to get my chainsaw and I was coming back. I came face to face with a guy on a mountain bike. It's like, oh, hey, how's it going? Didn't expect to see him out here. Of course, I left all my stuff here at camp, so I was like, oh, someone was in the area. Of course, comfort is king, so man, I'm really glad I got this FlexLight chair. I wouldn't have wanted to carry my other one out here. That would have really sucked. Cost a few bucks, but I think it was worth it. Go. That's the stuff right there. I guess I should get up and get firewood going. Get some lunch. I don't need a big fire for lunch. I'm just boiling water basically. But